Meaning of housebound.
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 Housebound. The term housebound refers to a state of being confined to one's home, typically due to illness or disability. When someone is housebound, they are unable to leave their home for extended periods of time, often requiring assistance with basic tasks such as grocery shopping or doctor's visits. This can lead to feelings of isolation and loneliness, as well as limited opportunities for socialization and engagement with the outside world. Overall, being housebound can be a challenging and isolating experience for individuals and can impact both their physical and mental health.